You guys remember how passionate I am about stopping crepe murder, and I'm not wearing a t-shirt today, but I think I've established myself as being very passionate about crepe murder. And that was back in the spring, February, March, when everybody was murdering their crepe myrtles. Well, now we're in the summertime and they're blooming. And so I've been keeping my eyes peeled for the differences around town between crepe myrtles that have been murdered in the spring and the ones that have been kept unmurdered and uncut. So right now I'm standing next to one that was clipped and cut in the springtime, and you can see it is blooming. And so what I'm going to get at right now is referring back to the people who, the reason why they murder their crepes is that they say that they bloom more and more prolifically if they are cut. So keep that in mind as we go along here. This one is blooming. It's got a few beautiful blooms on it. But let me show you what happens when you don't cut your crepe. I don't need to say any words. You guys see it. You don't have to be in denial about it anymore. Crepe murder does not make a tree bloom more. Now, you can see behind me, and you can see in the last shot how big this crepe myrtle gets. So if you are trimming because you've run out of space for a crepe myrtle, then that's a whole different story. There's a possibility that you may need to remove the crepe myrtle just because it's the wrong plant in the wrong place. And that's completely a feasible reason to remove it. But murdering it is not going to make it bloom more. Now, if you have gotten yourself into a situation where it's been murdered in the past and you want to correct it, I'm going to put a video link below to the Grumpy Gardener, who has a perfect video to show you how you can fix a previously murdered crepe murder and make it all whole and good again, so it can just reach its utter potential and be as beautiful as this tree up here. All right, you guys, comment below, share, because you know we got to stop crepe murder around here.